Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Juvenile Justice Board. Juvenile Justice Board will be set up in every district of the state government. Juvenile Justice Board comprises of juvenile magistrate of first class with at least 3 years of experience, and it contains two social workers, out of which one social worker will always be a female. Punishment according to Juvenile Justice Board is the person or the convict is sent home with advice, or the person is made to participate in group counseling, or he is made to pay a fine, or he is sent to the reformatory schools or hostels for a maximum period of 3 years. He can be sent to the reformatory schools or hostel schools for a maximum period of 3 years. Amendments of Juvenile Justice Board. Amendments are also called special provisions. Any juvenile who is in between the age. Amendments are also called special provisions. Any juvenile who is in between the age group of 16 to 18 years and who has committed a heinous crime is tried as an adult. Can be tried, whether that juvenile who has committed heinous crime can be tried as an adult or not will be assessed by Juvenile Justice Board. If the Juvenile Justice Board confirms that he can be tried as an adult, then the case will be transferred from the Juvenile Justice Board to the Children's Court or Sessions Court. Punishment. If the convicted if convicted the if convicted, the juvenile offender will remain in place of safety until he attained 21 years. Once he has attained 21 years, Children's Court will reassess the person. If he has been reformed, then he can be released on probation. If he is not reformed, then he will be sent to the regular jail to complete his rest of the punishment. For a juvenile between the age group of 16 to 18 years who has been tried as an adult cannot be given a death penalty, or life imprisonment cannot be given in those juveniles.
Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about